This is a $3,000 PC, and if you are wondering how I got my hands on it, we'd have to go a few months back in time. It all started when MSI announced their yearly Creator Awards challenge, where you had to create something on the topic Create Your Utopia. Whether you're a graphics designer, a filmmaker, or a 3D artist, you can participate for free with a lot of amazing prizes to win. So I started working day and night for months, having no idea that I'd even be able to finish the project as it was so heavy on my PC. But I worked and worked because I had this amazing idea that I wanted to bring to life. And also because I wanted that PC. So in the end, the animation was finally finished, which took me about 300 hours within a course of 2.5 months to make, which you can watch by clicking this I button if you want, but after watching this video.
I can't believe it! I'm gonna explode into 1,000 little excited bits, and then those little excited bits are gonna explode into millions of tiny little
I was surprised that I won, and I couldn't believe my eyes. It's one of my happiest moments of life.
Several months later.
After 2 months, the prize has finally arrived. So let's unbox it. This PC is so fast that this rendered on my older PC that wasn't even starting. It took only 20 seconds to render, which is absolutely incredible. I'm also thinking to do a render comparison test between my older PC and this new MSI PC. So if you'd like to watch that, then do let me know down in the comment section below. MSI also sent me this award which looks absolutely beautiful, especially because it has my name on it. And though there's a mistake in the spelling, there's no A after H in Rahman. And that actually turns out to be my mistake when I was creating my account. So I want to thank you so much to MSI for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you so much to MSI for giving me this. Forgiving me? But I didn't do anything wrong, did I? So I want to thank you so much to MSI for giving me this PC. My projects are now going to be on a whole new level and now I can work much faster. And I also want a special thanks to my family. Without the PC they gave me when I started this channel, I wouldn't be able to achieve this milestone. It's about to get 2 years old now, but it's not that bad. I also want to encourage you to take challenges as well, even if you win or lose. This is like my 8th challenge that I've participated in, but to be honest, this is the very first one that I won. In fact, you never lose anything at all, but in return, you'll be surprised to see how much improvements you have made. You'll learn to create new things that you probably otherwise will never have. Now that you know how effective it is to take challenges, you also need to know how I created this award-winning animation. So for that, watch this video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button for upcoming videos and tutorials. Until then, I'll be back.